Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to make links like these. So there's like Twitch, there's like socks, second channel, fidget spinner, merchandise, Wix, and hat merch. So you guys can click on this, it will give you to the link. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's pretty easy. So what you want to do is you want to go home and go Safari or Google. For this, I'm going to use Safari. And then what you want to do is click YouTube. Just put YouTube desktop right here. Just put YouTube desktop. Or you guys can use this on the computer. This will be fine. It's going to be easier. So you guys are going to click the first one. It's going to bring you here. So you guys are going to wait. And then in here, you guys are going to click view channel. And it's going to be so small. So you guys have to like zoom in. And then once you're in here, you guys are going to click about right there. Just click about. And then over here, you guys have your links. So over there, so you're going to tap the like thing. So you're going to tap it, and then you're going to click this pencil thing. And then what you want to do here is just put a random like name, first name. Like if you guys want like a socks or whatever, and then put the link that will bring you there. And then once you're done all of it, you guys can add more. You guys can click this add button, and then you guys, this is max 30 characters, or if you don't want it, just delete it. Oops. And if you guys accidentally made a mistake, just click cancel, and it will give you there. And then if you want to you're done with it, just click done. Don't forget to click this. It's very important. And once you're in there, so like say you're done. Like I'm gonna change Twitch to like maybe the name to my Twitch. So before it was Twitch, now I put it to my Twitch. So I'm gonna restart YouTube. I'm at Twitch, okay? So you guys are gonna go to YouTube, and you guys are gonna go to your account. And then after you're done here, just click about. As you guys can see, it says my Twitch because I changed it. And you guys can also change the link, so you guys don't have to worry. Or you guys can paste links, and that's pretty much how you do it. And if you guys want to change it, just go back, tap it, go to the pencil, and then change it if you want. I'm just gonna put Twitch for now because I like it better. It's for my opinion. And then yeah, so that's pretty much how you add links to your channel. If this helped you, please thumbs it up. And yeah, so as you guys can see, I restart YouTube, and then go back to your channel. And here's about just Twitch back. So yep, hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.